In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy emails to OneNote. This is a powerful way to keep your important messages organized alongside your notes, making it easy to reference emails in projects, meetings, or personal records. To start, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and ensure you are signed in with the same Microsoft account you use for OneNote. This connection is essential, as it allows OneNote to receive emails directly from Outlook. Once Outlook is open, locate the email or emails you want to save to OneNote. Next, select the email you want to copy. At the top menu in Outlook, find the OneNote icon or button. In some versions, this may appear under the Move section or as Send to OneNote. Click this button to begin the process. You may be prompted to choose the destination notebook and section where the email will be stored, so pick a location that makes sense for your organizational system. Once you've selected the notebook and section, click OK or Send. Outlook will then copy the email content into OneNote, including the subject line, sender, date, and the body of the email. This preserves the context of the message, which can be extremely helpful when referencing it later. If the email contains attachments, you can choose whether to include them in the OneNote page as well. After the email appears in OneNote, you can further organize it. You can add your own notes, highlight important points, or create links to other relevant pages. OneNote allows you to treat emails like regular notes, giving you full flexibility to annotate, categorize, or integrate them into your projects. For multiple emails, you can repeat the process or select several emails at once if your Outlook version supports bulk sending to OneNote. This can save a lot of time when consolidating messages for research or project management. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to copy emails from Outlook to OneNote, creating a seamless workflow that keeps your important messages accessible and organized alongside your notes. This method is especially useful for professionals, students, and anyone who needs to integrate email content into their digital notebook. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.